Hello people, welcome to Sound Workshop at Caira Media. I am your host Rajiv and I'm here to serve your sonic needs. Here we will learn about the various facets that go into producing, recording, mixing, and mastering audio for music production, sound design for film, podcasting, radio, and anything related to sound. In addition, we will be diving into different audio programs including Pro Tools, Nuendo, and Cubase. If you're looking to make your production sound clear, professional, and presentable to the public for all your audio needs, this is the place for you. Lastly, I am always open to suggestions, so if you have a tutorial you'd like to see, please subscribe and comment. And if you have any questions about the video, feel free to leave a comment and I will definitely get back to you. If your dream is to make professional sounding productions, you're in the right place. Thanks for listening, and I'll talk to you soon.